Hi, I'm Dr. Nisha Jha, and I came from UK, United Kingdom, a place called Leamington Spa. So basically I worked for NHS, and then now I am working in a private clinic in aesthetic medicine in UK. So I have been looking for this course to do, and I came to know about this course through Google. And I searched around 3 courses around India, and one of the best place and the center I found is in Agra with Dr. Satya and Dr. Preeti Saraswat Hospital. Why I chose this place was I really read a lot of Google reviews, very positive Google reviews, and there was a hands-on training as well, and they said it will be done on the real patients as well. I liaised with the hospital, and the coordination and liaising and everything was very nice and smooth, easy, and they booked me in according to the patient requirements, and they gave me some dates, and I found the process quite easy, and they have been really very helpful, supportive throughout the booking process. So everything was booked for me. So I came here in Agra on 15th. I started the course. I reached here on 14th. So the first day was very good. Dr. Preeti Saraswat started with the theory parts, which is a very important aspect, and after that I saw so many real patients. I was taken into the theater, and I was asked to instantly get scrubbed and instant working on the real patients. To have that feel to do on the real patient was really amazing. Both the doctor and the team was very helpful throughout my training. A wonderful team asking me each and every time if I'm learning, if there is any problem, and they were teaching me really in a very good way. So I did hair transplant course. I did lots of courses on the laser skin for the Asian skins. So they taught me all the basics, and all the tips were very good, and I practiced a lot of hair transplant on the real patient. I really feel very happy, very confident, and I feel that once I go back to UK, I can start doing on my real patients. That's what the confidence level is mine, and I would definitely like to recommend Agra Saraswat Hospital. It's a very good teaching and training centers, and you can come to this place and get your trainings done, and you get all the confidence with you. Even the price wise, it is very reasonable, and I'm so happy with the prices as well in compared to other centers, and the amount of the effectiveness and the time they have given to me is really amazing. So I feel very happy to get training here, and today is my last day, so I'll go back with my certificates, and I'll be bang on treating my patients. So thank you so much, Saraswat Hospital. Thank you.